How you doing? It's Paul, and I want to show you how to do some keyword research today. I'm on a mission to get 100 clicks to my website in a way that's duplicatable because I want 10 things paying me and Eric $1,000 a month, right? So if we lose one, if the business changes or something like that's not a problem, or the product changes, and then we'll go to 2,000 a month, and then we'll go to 3,000 a month, okay? So I'm on a mission to do that. Now, of course, you can do solo ads. Solo ads cost. Needs to build a relationship, but straight away there's one way you can get 100 clicks easily to your website if you can pay for the solo ads, and there's a couple of good sources you can find. But I'll tell you another good way is if you are prepared to put content out there on things like YouTube. Now YouTube is the second biggest search engine, and why search engines are really good against social media is if I'm on social media, I don't really go on social media to buy anything. Okay, I go on social media predominantly, right, to look at my feed and see what's happening. Okay, so when you present me with an ad, you're interrupting. It's called interruption marketing. So you're interrupting me, right? And that doesn't mean it doesn't work. Obviously it works, okay? But that's one type of marketing. Now, on the other hand, if I go onto my computer and I search for how to do keyword research, right? A Google page comes, a website comes up in Google or a video comes up. And if I'm looking to learn how to do something, then video wins pretty much most of the time for most people. Okay. So YouTube is a great place to be to add your content, right? And then learn how to rank that content and get better and better. Also, a video could be there bringing you clicks for years and years. So I don't expect one video necessarily to give me 100 clicks a day, but I've got to up my content game. I've done this stuff in the past with great success. I tell people to do this, and lately, maybe I've been sort of slacking off a little bit doing it myself. Now, on YouTube, you got YouTube main videos and you got YouTube Shorts. And one of the good things out there now is you can create a longer video, so you can record as long as you want, you can do what you want, and then you can use a tool like Opus Clip or Video. That's VID YO video.ai. So that, and I think what's one of the sharers anyway, but so you can do that. So let me show you how to do keyword research though. So one of the things that we are promoting at the minute is one of our 10 things that pays at least $1,000 a month. In fact, we've done way more than that already, and we'll continue to do way more than that. Power lead system. So I want to get videos on YouTube for terms related to the power lead system, but how do I know what people search for? So I'm going to recommend you go and get yourself a tool. It's very cheap. I can't remember the cost, so I'm logged in now, so I won't bother logging out just to go to the homepage. You can do that, right? You're grown up, right? You don't need to be spoon-fed everything, all right? So, um, so it's vidiq.com. If you go to vidiq.com, and to be honest with you, I need to spend an afternoon sometime just kind of going through this and updating myself with this because it does a lot that I don't actually touch, right? Like it give you daily video ideas and it will tell you how to optimize your video, etc., etc., etc. It's a really good tool, right? I predominantly use it for keywords. So, and they have tutorials on this. I just want to introduce you to the tool, right? And not an affiliate link or anything. I'm not selling anything here, but Power Lead System. Okay, so that's what I want to do. A lot of people call it the power lead system, right? So if we go and I hit the return button, what you can see what it does, look, it comes up with related keywords. Now, if I click that, that's great, but it make money online is a related keyword. But I want to dominate anybody that search for power lead system, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, look, matching terms. And now I know that all of these terms contain these four words, the power lead system. And then if you click this overall button, orange is, potentially you could rank for it. Green is easier to rank for, and red is forget about it. And there's not actually any red on there, so that's good. So the power lead system itself gets about 2,300 searches a month. How to create a branded bridge page under the power lead system. Very low competition. Okay. In fact, they're all very low. Look, very low competition. Decent number of searches. Now, if I made a video for each one of these things that are relevant, I think sometimes it's like you might find, somebody a name, like Paul's training on power lead system. Well, I can't share his training. The other Paul, whoever it is. make a capture page with a lead power system. I can make a video on that easy. And all I need to do is use Zoom. I use to record my screen. You can also use Loom, L-O-O-M. There's various ways of recording your screen. Come into the power lead system, which I've got open here. So, like I say, we're doing more than 1,000 a month. So here's the back office power lead system, and I can go in and I can show people how to set up your how to create, here you go, look, websites. I want a domain that's set up to what domain do I want to set up? Well, I want to set up, and it should already be set up. So just imagine I could record this now. It's very quick to do. GetYourAISideHustle.com. So if you want to see this page, GetYourAISideHustle.com. I want them to become a prospect for whatever I want, right? So this is the AI lead capture page. That's what's hot at the minute, the AI. So yes, I want to use that one. You come down, okay, and you click Save My Choice. And you can add your own domains, by the way, or you can use one of their standard domains. Okay, so then it's like, okay, so when they've opted in, where do I want to send them? Well, I want to send them to the AI sales page, and it's already found that for me because that's what it does. It's very clever. Save My Choice. And now what email follow-up do I want to give them? Do I want to give them some of my own? Do I want to connect it to my own if I'm a bit more advanced, or just want to use theirs? And I'm just going to use theirs. So add opt-in lead to the Power Lead System Contact Manager. Send this Power Lead System PLS autoresponder. And there's 8 messages all ready to go. And I'll just click submit. That's how easy it is to set up the funnel. All right. That's done. Right. I'm going to check out ad tracking later, right? But that I can make a video on that. And what I need to do is I need to, what was the exact phrase? How to create a capture page in the lead power system. So I could record that and say, well, you don't need to create a lead capture page if you're promoting the power lead system. Here's how you do it. This is what you do. And obviously I can go in, I can create a lead capture page as well, right? Make money, how to make money with a power lead system, which brings me to another interesting point. Questions are great. Okay. And again, this tool makes it so easy. How do I do this? There's a video showing how to do that. Want more tips? Subscribe to my channel. If you want to go and see the funnel, go and click GetYourAISideHustle.com. Go there, you can see it for yourself. That's how you use this, guys, to introduce people to what you do. Right, how to link a video from YouTube to the Power Lead system, right? 1,700 people on average search for that every single month. How to edit a subdomain, how to take out a survey, how to make a sales funnel with the Power Lead system. What day do we get paid from the Power Lead system? You get paid daily from the Power Lead system, by the way. That's a misspelling. I doubt that many people search for it, but it's going to be close. How to change the sales page on Power Lead system, right? So we could use AI to create a lot of these videos. And for our team, me and Eric, I'm sure we'll share, some videos if you can't do it. But anyway, that's one way you can build up to get in 100 clicks a day, potentially all off YouTube, not needing anything else, all totally for free. See you on the next video. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe if you want more tips. If you're interested in taking the 7-day free trial of the Power Lead system and having me and Eric share our marketing with you, and our ideas and the things we use. You saw we got like over 8,800 there. And that's not to entice you in. It's just we know what we're doing. Okay. If you want any of that and you want to take the free trial, GetYourAISideHustle.com. You can go and check it out there. 7-day free trial, nothing to lose. Hopefully see you on the inside. Bye.